Good afternoon and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2016 utility flatbed aluminum combo trailer, 36 foot 6 long by 102 wide. Front end has been weighted. Additional weights have been added for the piggyback to be carried on the back. Unit's been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Excellent condition in this trailer. Nice and flat kingpin plate. Brand new buyer's toolbox. Aluminum decks in excellent condition. Aluminum headache rack. 4 wood nail strips going down the bed. Outer aluminum rim. Brand new rubber all the way around the unit. New brakes and drums. Universal mounting kit. Carry Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. It is adjustable. You can put your PB 55.3 or your Princeton 4-way on there, or your Moffett's 2-way and 4-way. Nice little setup. High mount on the fork positioning. Brand new straps with refurb ratchets. Spring ride suspension. Fixed axle tandem. Aluminum combo. Beautiful unit, 2016 utility. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. A lot of trailers, a lot of flatbed trucks, all set up with piggyback mount system on them. We have lots of Moffett's, Princetons available for sale also, and Loadmacs. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.